In this video, I'm just going to show you how to shoot amazing low-key images. So before we start, if you're new on this channel, my name is Eustace, and if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. So what are low-key photos? Low-key photos are just photos with a lot of darker tones and dramatic. Yes, so you can shoot these types of portraits with any light. So if you want, you can shoot with one light. If you want, you can shoot with 2 lights, 3 lights, or even 4 lights. I used one AD200 as my main light in a Stripbox, and then I used another AD200 as my rim light. I used the AD600 as my background light with a 7-inch standard reflector and a gel on it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take a photo without any light. If you're interested in my camera settings, my shutter speed is at 1/250, ISO 200, f5.6, and then I'm going to take a photo with my main light. My main light power output is at 1/16. My second light, which is my rim light, is at 1/32. So we'll just take a couple photos now. Let's do that. Okay, nice. Okay, now okay. Okay, let's see. My third light, the background light, is also at 1/32.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted. Yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Just keep the same one. You don't move.
Don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me that. That's right.
Sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache,
nice.
Sore throat, constantly hungover. Yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.